Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Lutfi Almiraj from class 9B. I will describe the ant animal. Ants are one of the most fascinating small creatures with complex social life. They live in well-organized colonies, small and strong bodies, with different color ranging from black to red. They have the ability to carry heavy load relative to their body size, allowing them to transport food and other material efficiently, and can be found in various urban areas. They are omnivore, which means they eat a variety of food, including sugar, protein, and fat, and are also known as highly communicative creatures, using colony activities with close cooperation and effective communication, and can achieve extraordinary things such, such as building complex and organized social life of ants has made them one of the most successful examples in the animal kingdom. That's all from me. Thank you.